Oh, we're on?
Pay Talks.
Hey, what's up? What's up? Now we are going to take a brief commercial break for our sponsors. Whoa, where did you get such clean legs? I use Expo. Expo is delicious. Oh, cool. Now they come in blue, green, black, and red. Oh, right. Order now and you get 2 for the price of 1. The crazy price of $19.99. Wash it up with Expo. What's up? Now here's my friend Fluffy Bunny. Hello everyone, we will be creating bottle rockets. Bottle rockets. Whoa. Okay, now let's begin. We have called in our friend. Here's our friend, Cuervo.
Hello, I am the bottle rocket master. I will teach you about bottle rockets. First, you're going to need some materials to make these bottle rockets. Some of the materials are, you need a 2-liter bottle, some cardboard, and duct tape, a hole puncher, a hot glue gun, a garbage bag to make the parachute, poster board, a launch pad for the bottle rocket, construction paper, and markers to make it colorful. Now, if you're wondering you need to get the launch pad from, you need to go to Arbor Scientific Online.
Let's show them how to make this.
Their own parachute. Well, basically you need a strong carrier bag, and you can also use a black refuge bag as the plastic.
Okay.
Now what we're going to do is that you have to cut out a cylindrical sort of a circle out of the plastic bag.
Okay.
And the next step after that is that we fold it into 6 equal pieces. We do this by doing exactly this.
Now, does that circle have to be exactly a circle?
Well, the perfect, like the better the circle, like
Okay.
the more accurate your parachute actually is
Okay,
going to be
great.
constructed. So what you need is that you need your string, you need your sellotape, and you need your scissors to sort of do this whole experiment. And now we mark off every single corner of this of our 6 equal pieces that we've marked off. Right
Okay.
here. And here is exactly what we do.
So we fold and then we mark off where we folded.
Into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay.
All right. Now we have to cut the strings,
Okay.
which are already cut. But
Let's see how many we've got here. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got 5?
You need 6.
Okay, so then let's just cut one more because we need 6.
Okay, cool.
Okay, let's go, Mac.
There we go. And remember that, I mean, the experiment actually, the strings have to be like the length of the diameter times 1.5.
Okay, and
So-
all strings equal length?
Yeah, well, they have to all be the equal length. And
Okay,
I
good.
forgot to mention the payload. You need to use a little toy or anything that you want to sort of release as a payload. All right.
So now what do we do
Okay,
with these
cool.
strings, Mac?
All right. Now we attach them to the 6 markings that we've
Okay.
marked off down the
With
circle.
sellotape, is that good?
With sellotape, yeah.
Okay, here, well, we got some.
There we go.
So we go 1, 2, 3, 4,
1.
5, 6. Attached with sellotape.
There we go.
It's quite a fun one, eh, Mac?
Yeah. And it's not very difficult to construct. You don't even need help of an editor.
You don't even need, and that's great.
Yeah.
Okay, so after we've done all of that, let's pretend we've done all of that, what do we do?
Okay. Right now
found
that you've completed everything like this,
Now that we have watched this video, you now know how to make a parachute to your bottle rocket. Whew. Now, take a piece of construction paper, like this, in a cone shape. It then should look like a cone or a party hat, like so. Then, once you have it in the cone shape, you tape it together onto the bottom of the bottle rocket, like this. And then, it holds your parachute inside. Then, once you have your cone taped together, fold your parachute 4 times until it looks like a square. Then, use a hot glue gun to glue the string onto the bottom of the rocket. And then, you shall have your parachute and cone.
Next, we need to make wings for the rocket. Now, I prefer 4, but you can use 3, whatever floats your boat. Now, this is for you, so now you need some cardboard. Now, with the cardboard, you can cut your fins into triangles or into whatever design that will make it fly better, in your opinion. Now, from that step, you will glue your cardboard pieces onto the side of the bottle rocket using your hot glue gun. Make sure it sticks on well and use a lot so it holds when you're flying.
Now you need to find the center of balance. You want it to be around here onto the rocket. If the center of balance is not around here, then you need to add weight on one of the sides to balance out the weight.
Interesting.
With clay. You might need clay for this to make one side heavier. Now you're ready to launch your bottle rocket. But now you can put some design on your rocket if you want it to have a different look. Before you launch, you need to put water in the rocket. The water should fill up to a quarter of the bottle. Now you put a bike pump in the bottle and fill it up to 40 psi. Then the rocket on the launch pad, and then put the rocket on the launch pad and launch your rocket.
So how does all of this apply to Newton's laws of motion? Well, it applies to all of them. The first one is that the bottle rocket will stay at motion until it hits the ground, and it'll stay at rest until you launch it. For Newton's second law, F equals ma, you can find force, mass, or acceleration with that equation. And for Newton's third law, when the water shoots out of the rocket, it has an opposite reaction to go up in the air.